Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to continue on doing some blooms. This time I'm going to be using a CELL activator provided from the Painted Dreamer. It's pretty simple. I did have to tweak mine just a little bit for it to work for me, and as I've mentioned in the last bloom videos, things that work for one person may not completely work for another person. So it's trial and error. It's trial and error for all of us, but I got some really good results, and it was really, pretty simple. Don't have to add a lot of ingredients. So let's get right to pouring, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is from a video I did the other day. Well, sorta. I forgot to turn the camera on. This one I used from the Painted Dreamer, her CELL activator, which was 10 parts of American Floetrol to 1 part paint. Now, I like the way I've got nice lacing here and throughout here. I would have liked to have seen some more in here. It held the cells really well. There's nothing more disappointing than you pour something and you come look at it the next day and your cells have completely gone away. That is heartbreaking, I will tell you. But anyway, so I want to do this again, and I'm gonna add this time I have added a little bit of about a half a teaspoon of glue all. Just regular glue all. So I'm going to see if I get any little bit of difference there or not. Who knows? I did a little test earlier, and it gave me good results, but you never know until you see it in action. So I have this really pretty pink, blush pink, Dioxazine Purple, and Calypso Blue. These are all from DecoArt. And my CELL activator, as I said, is 1 part paint to 10 parts of American Floetrol, and I added a half a teaspoon of the glue all, and this is with, of course, the Amsterdam White paint. I'll get that out. That was tongue twisting. This is the Color Place. I'm going to use for my base the Color Place. I'm out of the. Well, anyway, I've got to restock on some things, but I had this, and this is. I can't remember the exact proportion, but I will put that down below. It just left me because, y'all, I can't even remember basic recipes anymore to cook with. I have to get them out and look. I'm going to have to make a book now for pouring paint. So let's get started here. Enough of that, huh? Y'all don't care whether I can remember anything or not, huh? I did want to say it's been a tough week around our house. We lost our yellow lab of nearly 14 years. It was the saddest thing ever. And my husband's just really torn up about it. She just followed him every step. I mean, she loved everybody, but she really loved him, let me tell you. I get ready with my paper towels. I tend to just run around with paint all over my hands. And let's see, what did I... The Calypso Blue. It's pretty blush pink. This, of course, is the same recipe that I used in the last video with the HGTV Sherwin Williams paint from Lowe's. And the Dioxazine Purple. Obviously, I had more mixture in the other two, but that's okay. Okay, that's looking nice there. So let's blow it out and see what we get. Got a lot of white going on there. Look at this straw. I swiped this from my sister's house last night. It's a milkshake straw, and I thought, hey man, I can move some air with that. Just want to break that up just a bit. That's looking nice, so let's spin and see what happens here. That looks nice. Oh, that looks nice, and I love the color. I just picked these colors off my shelf. I do like the colors. Those are pretty. Let's see if I can get you a close up there. Okay, and that for the CELL Activator, like I said, was nothing more than the American Floetrol, the Amsterdam White, and a little glue all. Half a teaspoon is all I put. This is really, really nice through there. Really nice. Wish I knew which way to turn it to see if it'll stretch some that way. That's even more. That is so pretty. Wow. Okay, I hope you guys liked this. I hope you all liked it. And if you got any questions about any of these blooms that we're doing, please don't hesitate to comment. Let me know. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. And I want to know if you're having fun doing blooms. I'm obsessed. Between that and learning how to use the Procreate app, I've just got too many obsessions going on. But thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching this video. I want to thank all of you subscribers so much for popping in and watching the videos. I thank you so much. So shout out to all of you, and I'll see you all next time.